Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use the black fade transitions to create a fade out effect on your clips in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit, and then click on the transition box in between the clip, this white box right here, and then click on the overlay category and you'll easily find the black fade effect. Click on that and adjust the durations. I'm going to go with 0.4 seconds. Then just click on apply to all, then click on a check icon, and after that the black fade transition will create a fade out effect for your clips like that. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.